Smooth.
Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. I am Christine Samalino from DPICT1C. We gathered a documentation entitled Implementation of Supermarket Application within Sibagat Municipality. Nowadays, we're on the middle of a pandemic called coronavirus disease. That causes is mainly transmitted through droplets generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or exhales. You can be infected by breathing in the virus if you are within close proximity of the someone who has COVID-19, or by touching a contaminated surface and then your eyes, nose, and mouth. In that case, many people had struggled, especially the community of Sibagat Municipality. Sibagat Municipality is quite distant from the city, and because of this new protocol from the government, changed a lot. It changed a lot. Changed a lot. New protocol from the government is needed to use face masks, face shields, and always bring alcohol. Based on our research, many retailers of that municipality had been affected and struggled the crisis of high transportation to city and high cost of production from supermarket within the city. How to help those people to minimize the crisis of their struggle from when it comes to high transportation and high cost of production that they retail from the supermarket in the city, and how to develop the business retail in the supermarket by implementing this supermarket application within Sibagat municipality, which is distance from the city. This supermarket app will help people, especially the retailers, to retail the products via this app. This supermarket application offers a convenient service to deliver your order at home, and it will help minimize the cure problem that we're facing right now. Purpose and description of this research. This research is to implement this supermarket application within Sibagat municipality to purchase product from the supermarket application and help the retailers to retail the product in a convenient and easy way. Though the struggle of high cost of production and high transportation will be minimized. So objectives of the study, general objectives, is to minimize the struggle of people, such as high rate of transportation and high cost of production from supermarket, and especially Progress Individual. Progress Individual, which is the retailer, is the first one to have progression, and together progress one community. Specific objective, to provide satisfaction to the customer, to live an easy and convenient way, and where we can assess poverty. So for scope and limitation, the researchers aim to develop a supermarket application since we are still using a manual system and their transactions, payment, and even in generating reports. The system will consist of some significant modules in order to satisfy the company's needs and as well as the consumer's need. For scope, for members, they have an option to save their orders in their wish list page if the consumer still wants to browse for more items. For limitation, this application is limited only in Sibagat, Agusan del Sur.
Good morning, Mom, Sir. I'm Erami Inuwalia from DPICT1C. I'm representing of an requirements analysis of implementation of supermarket app in Sibagat Municipality. The requirements analysis. This research targets enhancing the customer satisfaction with the use of innovative technologies toward the municipality of Sibagat Supermarket. These are advertising, the point of sales, through the poster and display how the shield. One study made by N-Storm Media, a company specialized selling and advertising a special fridge or pallet with its logo. The information that driver we download with the specific details about the particular delivers that they will complete on the day. And this day serve as reference to design and modify the developed DevOps of methodology. Requirements documentation, high-level design. We have a logo of app and we have a logo in our company. This logo to make people aware and they can more easily recognize or know what my corp is. And we also made an app logo so that they can easily get it and they can easily know how to use it. And the way to get an app is to just download on it on Android phone, desktop, PC, or laptop. Quickly and help people more easily they can buy their needs. And the way our apps made, especially now pandemic difficult and afraid to go outside. And the low-level design. The system will provide a security module which will have 3 levels of access such as administrator, members, and guests. Administrator is fully responsible for monitoring and maintaining the website since they have access some modules which are hidden or guests and every members such as product management, sales and inventory reports or order management and others. At first, the system will only have a one administrator who has authority to add more administrator by filling up the form which is available only in the admin module. This form will need some information or personal such as full name, contact, number, password.
In requirements analysis, research targets on enhancing the customer satisfaction with the use of innovative technologies towards the municipality of Sibagat Supermarket. Retail industry drives a larger proportion of the economy and therefore plays an important role in building up the gross domestic income. A supermarket can be simply described as a large self-service retail market that sell food and household goods.
Good day everyone, especially to our instructor, Mr. PAOLO PACALDO, sir. By the way, I am Kimberly Tampos, one of the presenter of this topic entitled The Implementation of Supermarket App in Municipality of Sibagat, Agusan del Sur. So today, I'm going to tackle about the implementation and testing of the topic. So for the implementation phase, a supermarket application, the proponent successfully converted all the formulated design and creative coding. Upon implementing this study, we're going to create a high-order supermarket application, which is we can give priority to classify the products into various kinds. And it can give help the users to choose the needed products fast. So meaning, as we can see in our situation nowadays, we are having a new normal living due to COVID-19 pandemic. So for example, when you come here in Butuan City, the quarantine pass color coding was implemented upon entering any establishments. While the other provinces, specifically the Agusan del Sur, they are also implemented the QR coding just like passing by the checkpoint and entering upon any establishments also. So let us proceed the testing. In the testing phase, after successfully converted the design, the proponent conducted a test of every convenience store among the municipality of Sibagat area. Many people of that municipality had been encountered for such things, just like when they were going through a supermarket, they need to pay a high rate for transaction in order for them to retail such items in supermarket. In that way, we fulfill all primary payment gateways so that it can assist the users for the supermarket application to have instant and secure transactions. So, as what we can see sa ato ang panahon karon no, dili na basta-basta nga maka-travel ta bisan asa para lang mapalit nato ang ato ang mga kailangan sa balay. It's because of the situation nga pataas na ng pataas ang case sa COVID-19 karon. So that in order for us to be safe, we implement the supermarket application so that we don't need to go somewhere where we can buy our daily needs. So, and in order for the people to make their transactions fast and easier. That's all. Thank you and be safe.
So, sir, I have your respondents from Sibagat, after Sibagat Agusino Resort. She is a 21 years old and she has two children. Her name is Hazel Mela Corti, and I asked her about the crisis.
Nakaapekto ang pandemya sa imong kinabuhi karon, sa imong pamilya?
Kaning kansod nga giatuban nato karon. Kay tungod aning pandemya nagkamahal tanan. Tungod aning pandemya karon nagkamahal ang mga pamaliton, pati ang pamasahe. Dali man gud sa among dapit, wala man gyud direct na supply goods. So kinahanglan ba mig mo biyahe paadtong Butuan para mamalit nya taas naman ang pamasahe.
So, sir, me and my team would gathered information, gathered documentation about the crisis of this pandemic, because the community that we are surrounded really did struggle the crisis of this pandemic. So, sir, with regards to the high cost of production from the supermarket in the city and high rate of transportation, and this supermarket application, by implementing this supermarket application, it can help people within that community to decrease the struggles that they suffer between the crisis of this pandemic.
I gave you the platform. Supermarket application within Sibagat Municipality. With that, Sidwick Corporation via install this app through App Store, Play Store, and Google Play.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. And also to our instructor, Sir PAOLO Pacaldo. I am Rian Alpelicano, one of the presenter of our group. So for today, I'm going to introduce you our team. Christine Somalinog is our project manager, someone who provides directions, instructions, and guidance to the group, and also the one who leads role in planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing the projects. Erami Nowalia and I is the researcher or the business analyst of our group. We are the one who gathers information needed of the development of the systems and the one who gain informed consent from participants. Last but not the least, Kimberly Intampos and Danessa Vipalin is our developer. They are the one who is responsible for the functional specifications of the project, and also the one who verify and deploy programs and systems. Summary, conclusion, and recommendation of our research. This chapter presents a summary of the study, conclusion, and recommendations of the proponents regarding the topic of the implementation of supermarket app in Sibagat Municipality. The proponents summarize the study for the readers to answer the problems regarding the topic of the study, while recommendations are for the development of the present status about the study presented by the proponents. Summary of findings. The purpose of the study was to provide a solution which can help to lessen the struggles of the transportations of many markets in the Sibagat Municipality. Supermarket application is an application that would rather give you great services. Its advantages is such useful and make the life of every person in Sibagat Municipality be easy and convenient. The proponents gathered all data needed and have been analyzed and studied to develop the project. This data serves as references to design and modify the developed DevOps methodology. In the conclusion recommendations based on the study analysis of data gathering, the proponents highly recommend a server intended for the DevOps
to have a wide range of connectivity.